Good morning, F-150 lovers. It's Rick Star Gonzalez with another how-to video. Today we're going to install running boards on my 2020 F-150. Used running boards. This morning, I went to pick up my parents to take them out to eat. And they couldn't get into my truck. So I got them home. I told myself, you know what? I need to do something about this right away. So I got an offer up and I found these running boards. A guy had them on there for $125. Then he had scratched out and he said, make me an offer. So I did. I offered him $60. He agreed. I met up with him and I grabbed them. Now I'm gonna install them. Now, mind you, from when I said, you know what, I better find something, literally an hour later, I had them in my possession. So these running boards are pretty much in new condition. The only problem is some of these plastic louvers fell off. So I just got to figure out which side is which. It looks like this is a front because it's arrow shaped. So this needs to go on the other side. And the other reason why I know that the arrow shape goes in the front is because the other one, the only louvers that are damaged are the ones on the driver's side where the guy actually got on. So obviously this is the one that goes on the other side. So basically underneath here, the bracket has 4 holes and 4 holes. Same thing on the other side. I think underneath there, it only has 3. Okay, so underneath here, we have 3 bolts. There are 4 holes and 3 bolts down here. Is one backwards? No, there's no hole there or anything. And here are the front ones. There's actually 3 mounting points underneath the truck. Right here under the door. Another one under the next door, the front door, and then one at the front. But this particular running board only has 2 mounting points. I believe it's going to be this one and the one in the front. Let's hope they match up. So there you go. 1, 2, 3. It's funny there's not a stud on that one. Here in the back, perfect fit. So I'm going to start with a washer. This will lock tight. A little lock tight on there. All right.
Oh, go over there.
Okay. That's a 1/2 inch. That's a little snug. These are brand new studs that never been used. This truck is dirty. There's sand falling on my face. Using this cheap tool set that I wanted a motorcycle rally. Actually, a buddy of mine wanted. He gave it to me because my bike broke down. I go, thanks. What I really need is some clutch plates. But right there come in handy. And then you do the same for the rest of them and see how it goes. Okay, what I recommend is use a deep well socket. I'm working with these cheap tools that I had in my truck. I'm not at home. I actually traveled away. I'm about 8 hours away from home. But yeah, use a deep well socket. Now it's nice and sturdy. Now check out to the other side, and we're done. So that's what it looks like installed. Perfect fit. We're trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. So if you like my content, punch that subscribe button, ring that notification bell. Keep on trucking, and God bless you.